Consequently, a clutching system has to be engineered into the design of the machine. The designs have varied since the 1950s, but basically they have centered around slipping belts or clutches. A slipping belt design is pretty easy to understand because the belt is allowed to slip while the motor roars up to full speed, much like an old go-kart with a wooden stake pushing against the motor or the belt to increase the tension and bring it up to speed. The original dependable Maytag and many other designs worked that way.
Load might not be heavy enough. That's when I was talking to you before and it didn't do it, right?
Yeah.
Not going to do it this time, is it?
Doesn't look like it.